Hello everybody, my name is Arielle KOUKOUDOUI. I am an environmentalist and active member on the NGO SOS Biodiversity from Benin. Almost a third of the Earth's surface is covered with forest. Our forests are invaluable and yet continue to degrade due to human pressures. This is the case of the forest of the Lama, an ecosystem rich in biological diversity and home to endangered species. In addition, it is a source of economic development for neighboring communities. The protection and restoration of forests is a major measure against climate change. As a young environmentalist committed to biodiversity conservation and concerned about the restoration of the Lama forest, I am competing for the Restoration Stewards Program. Thank you.